fuzzy. This one's plastic on both sides. It's queen size. All right, everybody, I got a couple of leaky air mattresses for you. This one is a twin size, and it's got the flock on one side. This one is queen size, and it's vinyl on both sides. These retail for about $30 a piece. What we did, we filled them all up. When we came back in the morning, they weren't completely full, so we called them leaky. We haven't tried to repair them. They're probably very repairable. Call and give me a bid. You're going to get 2 for 1 money. Speaking of 2 for 1, maybe this is our 2 for 1 table. I've got a quartz clock here by West Clock. It's a white wall clock, and you can see the second hand works. I got a blue one here, and the hands are just rattling around on the bottom, and there's no mechanism on it. Maybe you can switch bezels if you prefer a blue one. You're going to get both of these for 1 money. That's about a $10 retail price. I have an XM radio for you. This is everything you need to work XM radio. Here's your dock. This is the XM radio that goes in the dock. This is your satellite chip that communicates with the overhead satellite. This is the remote that works the radio in the dock of your XM radio. This is the traveling case to clip on your belt that you put the radio in that comes out of the dock of your Nexus XM radio. This is the antenna that plugs into the dock that gets a signal to your radio that talks to the satellite of your XM radio. This is your adapter. These are your earbuds. This is the plug so you can hook it up to your home stereo. Whew. And it's also an MP3 player. It's got 50 minutes of recording. $150 retail price. Somebody call and buy this item. It's hard to show. The next item I have is what we call they call it a tub and shower diverter. You've got your faucet, you've got your hot and cold adjustment knob, and you even have your shower fixture. All together in one matching set. It's $120 retail price by Meridian. Call and give me a bid on that. I got a kilowatt. That's like a meter for each individual appliance. You can plug an appliance into it and find out exactly how much it's costing you to run that appliance, and if you'd actually save money by buying a new, more efficient one. It's called the kilowatt. Call and give me a bid on that item, $20 retail price. Now, on the table I have a ceiling fan light kit. This would also make a very nice, just a ceiling light. Notice that it takes, well, I don't know if you can get in there, but it takes 4 of the small candelabra type bulbs. It's got a pull chain on the bottom so that you can turn the light on and off. That's kind of a nice feature. And it could be hardwired. It was manufactured originally to go on a ceiling fan as a ceiling fan light kit, but it also could be hardwired onto your ceiling. I've got an answering machine for you, a digital answering machine. One of the wires is cut. You're going to have to fix it. That's what makes it a bargain. Retail price on this, $25. Now, the high bidder is going to get your choice of one of these cigarette lighter adapters. One end plugs into your cigarette lighter, and the other end plugs into your cell phone. I have 3 different plugs here. This is for the it lists all these model numbers. I'll just say it this way. I've got one that takes the very tiny tubular connection, and I've got one that takes... Oh, it's that same tiny. I've got 2 different connectors here, and I've also got this small push-on connector. It's going to be bidder's choice of one of those adapters, and that should be all the small items on table number, whatever table number this is.